Welcome to Create Arts Online. I'm Sunny Carvalho. In this online course, I will be teaching several methods of using my line of ArtFoamies stamps. I've been designing stamps for years, and I find this particular line to be so exciting because of the infinite possibilities you can create with them. From original artwork to stamping on a variety of substrates, I will teach you how to use these stamps to create pieces that are uniquely your own. Starting with my method for making an interesting background paper, I will then introduce you to my stamps and how I use them on various surfaces. As you may know, I love drawing characters, and with this course and these stamps, you will have a foolproof method for creating your own version of characters too. I will take you step by step using the face and body stamps, first on the unique background paper and then on simple watercolor paper. You will watch me work in real time as I add details with pen and paint. These stamps will allow you to add your own artistic flair to a variety of projects. Next, I will show you how to use these stamps, including creative design elements, to enhance simple found objects from thrift shops, yard sales, or even your own closet. In this course, I will demonstrate many techniques using supplies and materials you most likely have in your studio or space. The sky's the limit with a few supplies, brushes, these stamps, and your imagination. Included in the course is a PDF with a list of all the supplies and resources. So let's get started.
Sunny, thank you so much for coming to Create Arts Online.
Thank you.
You just bring such creativity, and you know how much I love your imagination.
Oh, thank you.
So it is thrilling to have you here again. And now with these stamps, your own creations are being made.
I know. I'm super, super excited about this line. It's just so different from anything that I have seen or I have done because you can make it just super unique to you. I love it.
That is the best. And there's quite a few to choose from. And we have...
And there will be more.
Yes, more and more coming out. And the resources in the PDF, where to get them. But they're foam, so they're not rubber. And that makes them even easier to work with and keep clean.
And easy to store as well.
There you go. So good. So how can they be added to artwork so that they don't make it look like yours? What's the
you can,
to it?
we're starting by, we're going to make some unique papers, and that'll be a kind of cool, interesting starting point for a background and that kind of thing.
Love it.
But there's so much you can do with them. I mean, even if you just used the stamp and then painted out some of the features, you could change it. You can make her have a big smile just by painting out her mouth.
Yes.
Just whatever you wanted to do.
So it's really just basically the framework and then how you can go from there.
Yes.
And that's what's so great. And then it's not just going on paper. What else have you created here?
Well, we had some interesting finds at a thrift shop, and this one I thought turned out so cool. I really, really liked that. I thought it was a unique little bag, and I think it is even more unique now with the design put on it.
And the jewelry and leather.
Mm-hmm.
You can,
some leather.
There's so much you can do with this. And would you suggest this for a beginner?
Oh, yes. Oh, easily. For a beginner or someone that just wants to do something that's very different and interesting, and I think anybody could do it.
Oh, I love it so much. So learning from Sunny is a foolproof method of success, having fun, but now with the stamps, it just makes it even better.
Thank you. I'm excited.
I'm so excited. Thanks for coming back.